Going to discuss one question from box model, box puzzle in this session. See, this question is one of the best questions for the beginners, particularly the beginners and the students have just started their preparation and know all the basics. It would be really helpful for you to increase the speed and the accuracy. Now, see, actually, I've discussed this question in our regular course as well in the heading of miscellaneous questions. Okay, now let's start the question, students. Now, just make a note of this question or take a screenshot and try to do it by yourself. That's very important. And while doing that one, you need to maintain two things: speed and the accuracy. 100% accurately you have to arrange the puzzle. And the second thing is that the speed also, you just make a note of the timing. The maximum time for this one is not more than 3 minutes. Okay, beginners as it is, don't worry about the timing. The students who have been practicing these questions, you must maintain the timing as well. Okay, now let's make a note of this one. Then after that, I'll just solve this question for you. I've just taken the question here, how they have given 7 boxes are given. Okay, the names they have given M, N, O, P, Q, R and S are kept one above the other. Simple information. 5 of these boxes contain different items. This is important. Here, instead of giving all the 7 items, they have given only 5 items. So 5 boxes are containing some items, 1 box each, whereas obviously 2 other boxes are empty. As simple as this one. Okay, now you got the idea. Total 7 boxes, one above the other. Out of the 7, 5 are having some content inside that one, and 2 are not having any content at all. Okay, next you see the bottommost box is numbered as 1. The box immediately above this one is number 2, and so on. Now you got the idea. Quickly just keep that one on the paper. As far as that information is concerned, simply you need to arrange like this. This is the 7th box, the topmost one, right? Then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Okay, then after that, the name of the box will come in this column, and the content, what is there inside the box, I have to take here. So you have to make this rough work. Then after that, keep this space for the rough work here, because all the clues cannot be taken as it is into the chart. If everything is taken as it is into the chart, there is no fun in arranging the puzzle, right? Now keep the rough work here, as in when you feel the information is quite eligible to go here, just bring that one. But remember, students, you need to maintain the, or you need to go by the elimination process. That's very, very important. Okay, right, now go for the first information, how they have given. Now the information what they have given, we have taken here and so on. Now the first information is starting from here. They started with Q. What is that one? Q is not empty. Very, very important one. This may be useful for you for elimination. Box Q is not empty. That means definitely something is inside that one. You have to show that one on the chart. Okay, and then next information what they have given, M contains a bottle. Inside M, inside box M, it contains bottle. Clear information, and it is kept at a perfect square numbered position. Very, very important. Out of the given numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many perfect square numbers are there? Don't say only one, that is 4. Of course 4 is perfect square number. Among these numbers, along with 4, even 1 is also perfect square number. That means there are 2 possibilities. You can keep M either here or on the 4th. But for better sake, what you do, instead of taking 2 arrangements, between 2 arrangements, that means keeping M at first position or 4th position, between these 2 anyone is right, but don't take directly at 1 or 4, or don't go for the second arrangement, unnecessarily wastage of time. Keep it on the rough work side, then try to go for the elimination process. Okay, as far as this is concerned, M contains bottle and it is kept at a perfect square numbered position. S is kept 2 boxes above M. We take all the information together here. Now here M is given, that's okay. M is containing what, that one? Bottle. I just write BTL, bottle. Okay, and it is at 1 or 4, that's over. S is kept 2 boxes above M. 2 boxes above M means 1, 2, and this is S. Don't take like that. That's a blunder in reasoning. All right, two boxes above M means between S and M, two boxes won't come, only one box will come. Above M, two boxes, that means second box above M. Just take this one out. Now here S kept two boxes above means this is one box and the next box is S. This is the meaning of the information. Don't get confused. Okay. Now go for the next information here. The box which contains snacks is kept two boxes below R. Now you see another information. I cannot keep this information. What is that information? The box which contains snacks is kept two boxes below R. Cannot be kept here. Cannot be merged with this one. Just keep this information as the other rough work. What is that one? The box which contains snacks is kept two boxes below R. Now suppose this is R. Two boxes below R. This is one box. This is the second box. Here this box contains snacks. I'm writing S and X. Hope all of you are following this one. All right, below R which contains food. That means R contains food. Very, very good information. All right, but students, see, I cannot bring either this information directly onto the chart or this information. Still more connectivity is required. That means I need still more data to what do you call this one? Still more data to get some of the clue after combining the clues available for me. Okay, now go for the next information here. That is R. Only one box is kept between R and right. I'll just keep here. Only one box is kept between R and the box which contains a phone. Between R and the box which contains phone, there will be only one box, maybe below or above R. If you take below R one box, I cannot keep phone here. So the only possibilities are one box and here, the next box should contain phone. That's it. Now we got the idea. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 7 boxes, 5 are more or less arranged. I need to maintain this one. Okay, what's the next information they have given here? That's over. O contains T and is kept just above S. What do you mean by just above S? There is a lot of difference between above S and just above S. Just above S means immediately above S. Above S means maybe immediately, may not be also. Between S and that box, there may be 1 or 2 or 3, whatever it may be the number. Some box or one box or some boxes may be there. But here clearly they have given O contains T and is kept just above S. That means it must be O. Between O and S, there shouldn't be any other box. And O contains what here? This is T. That's over. That's over. All right, what's the next information they have given here? P is above N. Now you see this information. P is above N. They have not given P is just above N. P is above N means above N, somewhere P will come. Maybe immediately, may not be. Okay, now P is above N, which is above Q. Another information here. P is above N, which is above Q. I have to maintain this order. This order means it does not mean that below P immediately N will come, below N immediately Q will come. Maybe, may not be. Between these two, 1 or 2 boxes may come, 3 boxes, whatever it may be. Between these two also, 1 or more than 1 box may appear there. These are the clues they have given students. Here, I am explaining you in a different way. What is the difference? The different way, instead of taking this one by taking M at first place in one possibility and fourth place in one possibility, that means I have to take 2 possibilities simultaneously. If you take in that way, you may lose ample of time in the examination. That's the reason why keep the rough work here and try to bring it as quick as possible. Okay, one thing is very important. They have given us the first clue. Q definitely have some content inside the box. You have to maintain that as well. Okay, now let's go for both the possibilities here only. Quickly go for this one. First, I start with here. That is M, perfect square number is 1. If I keep M here, what happens? Quickly check this one. If I keep M here, above M one box is there, above that one S will come, and immediately above S O will come. Alright, now here O is having some content. I'm just checking this one. Quickly you have to check this one. Need not write anything here. O is having some content, yes. M is having some content, yes. And after that, above M1 box is there, I don't know. And inside S also, what is there, I don't know. Now you try to bring either this or this into the chart now. Now here, bringing this one is more convenient for me, more profitable for me, because advantage here, because total 5 are there here. How to go for this one? As far as this is concerned, how it should be, above R, minimum 2 boxes will be there. Here it is showing 2, that does not mean that above or exactly 2 are there. Above R, minimum 2 should be there. At the same time, below R also, minimum 2 must be there. Isn't it? Now, where shall I keep R? Go by the elimination process. Obviously, students, I cannot keep R here, because below R, at least 2 boxes must be there. Oh, so then go for the next position here. Suppose if I keep R here, yes, above R, 2 things are there, minimum 2 are there. If I keep R here, above R, minimum 2 are there, below R also minimum 2. But if I keep R here, above R only 1 is there, that I cannot go for that one. So here clearly I have to keep R here only, as far as this arrangement is concerned. Do we have any contents inside R? Yes, I am just going for the tick mark. Then as far as this information is concerned, you leave 1 and here phone is there. That's over. And below R also you leave 1 and here snack should be there. Total how many are there now? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the things have come. Now I need to go for the boxes. What are the boxes here? Here, P and Q. The order should be in this way. So obviously I should go, how I have to go for here? This is P, this is N, this is Q. But students, this arrangement is wrong. Why this is wrong here? Because clearly they have given that Q must have something inside. The content must be there. Now here, as far as this arrangement is concerned, place of Q is confirmed here. There is no other place at all. So if I keep Q here, 5 content are arranged in the other way. So if I keep Q here, nothing will be there inside Q, which is violating this condition. That is the reason why this is wrong. You have to do this much work, students. Otherwise what happens, if you start blindly with 4, probably that may be right here, but all the time you won't get in that way. You have to check both the possibilities here. So I kept M first here. So with this method, the advantage with this one is, instead of taking 2 arrangements, even if you can if you want to solve the question, you can solve with 2 arrangements simultaneously as well, but you can save a little time with this method. That is the reason why I have chosen this one with the help of the elimination process. Now already I know all these clues. In the temporary mind, in my brain, it is feeded. All right, so now this is wrong. I'm just taking it out. Okay, here now you need to go very quick here. You need to go very quick, because already I know the data here. The data are there. Now I will start with M only, with the perfect square number place, that is 4. Now here clearly M is having bottle. Now I'll write, because this is confirmed. If 1 is ruled out, 4 should be accepted there. Now this is bottle. Above M, 1 box is there. Above that one it should be S, and it is O. This should be T. How easy, you see now. This is over. Then after that, if I go for R here, where shall I keep R here? One of the places for R is this one, other place is this one, because below R 2 should be there, and a minimum 2. Above R also minimum 2 there. But students, here, if I keep R here, what happens? Above R, 1 box is there. In the other box above that one, phone should be there. But here, this is, if I keep R here, 1 back box, and here I cannot get phone. That is the reason why this place is ruled out. All the way you just observe this one. All the way, every time, always we are going by the elimination process. Now, only one place for R is this one. I cannot go below that one, isn't it? Now, if it is R, the content is food. Done. And above R, leaving 1 box, it should be phone. And below R, leaving 1, it should be snacks. Isn't it easier for you students. Now you see how many are over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are over. When you start with 1, the position 1, if you get the arrangement with position 1, keeping M at position 1, you need not go for the second arrangement. To explain you, first I took the wrong one. In the examination, you may take with the 4 also. Suppose if you start with 4 and if you get this arrangement done perfectly by proving all the given, by fulfilling all the conditions, there is no need to go for this one, first possibility here. Okay, now fine, go for this one. Then only one thing is left out, that is P and Q. Where shall I keep P and Q? Obviously this is P, this is N, and this is Q. Now you see total 5 content, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are over, and all the 7 boxes are arranged here as far as the number is concerned, and Q is having something inside as far as the given condition is concerned. I hope this is clear for all of you students, right? Now below this one, generally they ask some questions. Whatever the question may be, you can solve very easily. Let's go for the questions as well. I think there is a question. I have taken these questions as well once. All right, yeah, this one. Now you see, actually students, this is from our regular course here. This is called daily reasoning quiz. Every day we give one reasoning quiz and assignment, quant quiz and assignment, English quiz and assignment, then all current affairs. Every day we will give new 11 new files, PDF files in our regular course. This is called daily updates, persons in the news, maps of today's maps, or places in the news. We give lot of content. Only thing is that you need to utilize this one. This is from the regular one. This is, when is this one? Friday 21st February, yesterday only. Okay, now this is the question. This question I have explained now. Now you see, in the regular course it is available. Every day you have challenges, right? Now you see, what is the question here? Which pair of boxes are empty? Which pair of boxes are empty here? If you want to go for this one, which pair of boxes are empty? S and N. Just go for this one, S and N, N and S. Option C is the right one. We give the answers as well. First question is C. Okay, now the second question, you see, which box contains snacks? This is a simple question here, direct question. Snacks means this is, where is snacks? Q. My answer should be Q. Where is this Q here? Q means option number D. Second question, option number D. Then go for the third one. Which box is kept just above N? Now you see, just above N, which box is there? Now this is the arrangement. Just above N is R, having food inside. Okay, now here, which box is just above N means the box which contains food. This one. So that should be D. Third is D, right? Next, as many boxes are kept above R as below what? So as many boxes are kept above R. How many boxes are above R there? That number is below which one? Having like below which box having the same number? That is the question. So above R, how many are there? Above are 1, 2, 3, 4. Below which box 4 are there? This P, 1, 2, 3, 4. You understood the question? Huh? So the number of boxes above R must be equal to number of boxes, which box having same number below that box. So above R, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Now below which box? Again 4 boxes are there. Below P, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Now my answer should be, where is this one? Should be P here, means fourth is option number C. This is the way, students. And by the way, if you want to see, I'll show you how this quiz is there. This is reasoning quiz. One more thing will be there, that is reasoning assignment also. You have to practice quiz and assignment every day, of course. So here, this is one puzzle we have given, and the second one is another puzzle here, 6 to 8. Now here 12% A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, not L, O, U sit around a hexagonal shaped table. I'll explain this question also later. This, that is there, and followed by yeah, quant quiz. Daily we have quant quiz as well. So this way. All right. 10 questions. In the quiz, we give 10, and in the assignment, we give 25 questions. Okay. Now, this is for static GK. This is 8th 5-year plan. All right. 10th 5-year plan. This is static GK. Then English vocabulary quiz also. So, generally, we give like this. This is BILIE, Bailey. Right. So, followed by these are the synonyms, I think. Is it synonyms? Yes, synonym. Antonyms are there. All right. Idioms and phrases. Then daily general studies quiz also. That is history, polity, economy, geography, and physics, chemistry, biology. So this is of polity here. All right. This is polity. This is useful for the students preparing for RRB and SSC as well. Then daily current affairs also. Daily current affairs. Just check this one. By the way, recently which organization collaborated with the IMD to develop the open air art wall museum? We give answers here also. All right. So this is how students. Then maps of the day. Bharat, India. So today's map is this one. So Indian Ocean region we have explained today. Then world map will be there. This is world map. All right. So then followed by this is person in the news. Yesterday we discussed Swami Dayanand Saraswati's issues. Okay. All right. Then today in history, previously what happened? Every day you will get, and 21 February yesterday was a International Mother Language Day. Okay. So everything, no stone is untouched here. Everything we discuss like this. Okay, right. Anyway, students, thank you so much. If anybody is interested to join our regular courses, take this as an opportunity. We kept the fee also very low. From 500 rupees also we are giving the course, 500 to 6,900. That ranges between these 2 points. Thank you so much, students.